Hey y'all, okay, finally, the time has finally come. I get to change my deck today. So I'm gonna learn how to do it. Gonna get some help doing it. The lovely Kora is going to help me. I'll see you there. The homie, Kora, and we are here with none other than Iona.
So, here are your tools.
Thank you.
Yeah, basically put like grip on the deck first and then transfer some hardware over.
Alright.
No, flip.
Fresh there board. Thank you so much, Dana. Thank you so much, Reina. Thank you, Jeff. This is so sick. Nice green top with a black bottom.
That's
So
sick.
let's grip this thing. I literally have never done this. This should be fun. Yeah, so this is perfect. It fits the ends. I'm gonna take off these sticky parts and I'm gonna slap it on from the center. Is that right? Like center out?
Yeah.
Okay. Fresh mop grip. Let's go. Alright. The ends. I'm not too stressed about this being perfect. It's my first time, so I'm just gonna make sure the ends are covered. Pat, pat, pat. I'm gonna pat out. Pat outside. So center.
You're already
Good?
well past.
Okay.
Good,
Yeah.
dog.
Alright.
It's just the only thing is like you want to start in the center and kind of like work out before you touch the ends.
Copy that.
Yeah. But
Okay.
you already did it, so
Alright.
kind of just gotta do
Work
the bubbles.
out the bubbles.
Yeah.
Cute.
Wonderful. Alright, so I saw this in the YouTube videos. So like you use the edge to like edge the board, right?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, alright. Let's go.
Ha ha ha.
Just correction check if I'm doing it wrong. Alright. I think it's sufficient enough, right? We have a razor right here. And again, from what I have seen, we're gonna cut off the excess grip tape and just kind of contour the board. So!
But you pull it like you kind of like. Yeah, you could do that. Like you're sitting here, so
Yeah.
I would definitely like you could start here, do this,
Mhm.
just kind of come in, and then
Got you.
and then flip the board around, and
Okay.
kind of keep it like that and pull towards you slowly.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah. Oh, I'm just gonna swap.
Yeah.
Yeah, it looks really good.
Yay!
You're doing a bang up job.
Thank you.
Yeah, sometimes like you might need to fold. You might need to like go like this if too much of the adhesive went on this side.
Yeah, smart.
Like a little.
Oh,
Yeah,
come on.
I like doing that. What you're doing, like push this away and just kind of like come this way.
Okay, so like, okay.
Yeah, so you're not going to the side as much as you're coming back at yourself.
Right. I want to use. I didn't drop that. I did it! I gripped my back. All right,
We love
so
excitement.
now we have to poke the holes
Poke the hole.
so we can put the hardware and the trucks in.
Poke 'em.
Otherwise,
Poke me, please.
Poke away.
not a skateboard.
I like the challenge of just spending like 10 minutes trying to find holes.
Okay. So I'm gonna take out the hardware from my old board and swap it over to the new board. Just gonna poke holes with it.
What if you don't like?
A real thrasher.
A real thrasher name.
I kind of got a bit of a rundown on how to unscrew the bolts. Kora's amazing tool that just kind of allows you to shift 180 and not the whole 360 all the way around. It's pretty cool. Ah, she got it off. Everyone, go get yourself a silver deck. I mean, a silver tool. I think that's the brand, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
Product
So
plug.
good. I'm gonna poke hardware through the other side, then poke it back down. Yeah, let's see how that goes. It's the first time of learning for everyone. Much respect to everyone who just does this, and it's not even a thought. Thank you, Kora. Thank you, Ayana.
Of course.
This help is
Pleasure.
unparalleled. Nickelodeon.
Bum, 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 bum.
Putting the hardware and the truck spec on. Do I want to put the bolts in first?
Yeah.
Okay. Alright. Alright, so this is the board so far. Back trucks are on. I have the nuts very loosely screwed onto the bolts finger tight. Just gonna do that for the rest. This was so much elbow grease. I'm kind of mad.
What?
No one warned me that I'd work so hard to do this. No
Yeah.
one told me it would take 1 hour to do.
Mm-hmm.
So I'm a little bit upset. I'm upset. 50,000 on my head is disrespect. But I think I did it. I put my board together and I'm so excited. Thank you so much, Kora. Thank you, Iona. Now I know how to do it, and that knowledge is probably never gonna leave. Get you one of these, guys. That's gonna be a game changer. This was a silver tool. And yeah. It's time to skate it. Ooh, it's a box party. Yeah, yeah. New airboard. Thank you to the people. And we're gonna hit an ollie with this real quick. Listen. Yeah. Let's get it.